Polydesmus complenatus, interesting creature, was seen near Ushny village on the outskirts of the forest. Achronicta auricoma, it is a night butterfly, here it is a larva, near Kruhy village. Phlebophora meticulosa, another night butterfly, here it is in the Uchivka village. Grus grusa, very rare bird, here it is the flying of them in the end of September to the warmer places. It was seen on the ascent the Puha mountains. Pseudoips prasinana, it is a completely or almost completely green butterfly, night butterfly, but I saw only the larva. Larva is interesting in the appearance as well. It was seen once in the forest in Lviv city, and another locality is in Richke land near Polbich village. Fagus sylvatica forest.